So I'm going to do something that I love to do, which is cook. So this dish that I'm going to do is maybe one of my most original dishes. It is called the peanut butter and jelly. It is French. It is a French dish. It was originated in 1922. And I will make it now with all the instructions. First step, you need a plate. Plate is very helpful. Napkins, they fold up. You can't do anything with a napkin. Second off, of course, peanut butter and jelly. Now, it doesn't matter what type of jelly you use. You can use strawberry, blackberry, apple, tomato, avocado. It doesn't matter. You can use any type of jelly.
God, babe.
Probably not avocado, though. I like to use strawberry. Second off, you need a spoon and a knife to spread the peanut butter and jelly.
Why do you need a spoon?
I like to use metal utensils because they don't break.
Why do you need a spoon?
I know.
And lastly, you need bread. Now, I like to use wheat bread because it's healthy. But you may use any other type of bread, like rye or white. So, first off, take the twisty tie off. It may be a little difficult. Twisty tie. And you need 2 slices, alright? There's 1, for some of you who can't count. 2. See, math teachers in Millington are good. We can count. Alright, put the twisty tie back on, or do as you do in my house, just throw it away. Now, open the peanut butter. I like to use chips. Chosen by parents everywhere. And take a knife. I'm going to set the mic down quick. Is this good, Mikey? Peanut butter on the knife. Take the peanut butter and put it on the bread. Spread it all the way across. You don't want too much peanut butter, or you will be dying of thirst. Caution, this food may kill you due to thirst of milk. Now, when you think you have enough peanut butter on, do as I do, just throw it away, make it on. Put the knife away. Then open the jelly. As I said, strawberry jelly. Get maybe a scoop or 2 of jelly.
Why use a knife?
Because then you can't get the peanut butter from your knife in the jelly.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and I forgot to mention this. Peanut butter is always first because peanut butter is awesome. So, peanut butter side on top. And then take your knife, and some people like to cut horizontally or diagonally. I like to cut diagonally. Hearts, I can't do a heart, I'm sorry. I will cut diagonally. And then you have yourself a peanut butter and jelly.